Hello people, welcome one and all to Jojo's Learning Club.
So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Jojo's Learning Club. So today I am going to discuss the part 2 of the logarithms. On my last section I have discussed the formula for logarithms and also what are the two types of logarithms, that are common logarithms and natural logarithms. Also the laws of algorithms, that are to how to multiply two numbers, how to divide two numbers when a number is raised to power. So all these we are going to use in this section to solve all these. So let's directly start with our first problem. What is the first problem saying? Log of 0.001, right? So what was the formula for finding the logarithms? If a number y is in the form a raised to x, then x is the logarithm of y to the base of a, right? So similarly, now we are going to change this problem into like this way. So x is equal to what it is, lg. Log I have written because it was lg, right? So lg is the abbreviation for log to the base of 10, right? So you can write this as log 10 0.01. Now what is this? This is the y and this is the a. So write the formula y is equal to a raised to x, right? So you can write this as 0.001 is equal to 10 to the power of x, right? And what is 0.001? It is raised to 10 raised to minus 3, right? Right? When you have the same base and when they are equal to, then you can equate to their powers also. So what is the value of x from that? X is equal to minus 3. So this is how you solve the problems using logarithmic formula. Okay, that's for the first problem. And now let's do the second problem. So what's the next problem? Log 3 and 1 by 81. Okay, similarly you can write in terms of x is equal to log 3 1 by 81, right? 1 by 81 you can write it as 1 by 81. Let it be like here. So what is actually 1 by 81 is equal to, what is a here? 3 raised to x, right? And what is 81? Take the factors of 81. What it is? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 raised to 4. So you can write this as 1 by 3 raised to 4. Why I am writing as whole raised to 4? Because 1 raised to 4 is also 1. So you can write 1 by 3 whole raised to 4 is equal to 3 raised to x. But you can't compare now the powers because here 3 and it is here reciprocal of 3. So what you have to do? You have to take 3 to the up. So what you take? 3 raised to minus 4 is equal to 3 raised to x. Now you can compare, right? Because now the base values are of the same values. Okay, so when you compare, you get the value of x as minus 4. And that's it. This is how you find answers using logarithms. Okay, so the next problem is again ln of e. ln, see that abbreviation ln. For what it is used? It is used for natural logarithms or hyperbolic logarithms or Napierian logarithms. Okay, so now the same formula here comes. X is equal to log, you can write this as log of base e to e, right? So what is here? E is equal to e raised to x. When the value of e raised to 1, only e raised to e, right? So the value of x is 1 in this. This is how you find the third problem. I hope it's very much clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free to reach under my Gmail ID or also you can comment under my video. I'll be always there to help you out. Okay. So now let's do the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem saying? Log x is equal to 3. So LG, again see the abbreviation, it is common logarithm. So now we can write this as log 10x is equal to 3. Right. So what was the formula? So this is here x, this is here a, and this is here y, right? So y is equal to a raised to x is our formula. So what is the y term here? That is what we have to find out. That is x over here, right? And what you have to find, a is already given 10 and x is here 3. So what is the value of x from this? 1000. So this is the answer for the fourth problem. I hope it's clear. Okay. So now let's do the fifth problem. Okay, what is the fifth problem? Write A log 30, B log 450 in terms of log 2, log 3 and log 5. So there are three sections under problem and it is said to write these expressions in terms of log 2, log 3 and log 5. That means when you have these kind of problems, you have to take the factors and apply the law of algorithms. Sorry, apply the law of logarithms. Okay, so log 30. For that, to write in terms of 2, 3 and 5, first of all you have to take the factors of 30. So what are the factors of 30? Do with 2, then you get 15, then you do with 3, then you get 5. So this is what? Log of 2 into 3 into 5. So apply the law of logarithm to multiply numbers. So you can express, for example, express log of A into B into C. You can express as log A plus log B plus log C. Similarly, for this, apply in this question, then what it happens? The answer is log 2 plus log 3 plus log 5. And this is how you find the answer for the first section on problem number 5. I hope it's clear. Okay. So the next problem is second section, right? Log of 450. So to write in terms of log 2, log 3 and log 5, again what you have to do? You have to find what are the factors of log 450. Okay, so let's find what are the factors of 450. Let's take here 2, what it happens? 225, right? Again I'm divided by 3, then it gets 75. Again by 3, what it happens? 25. Again 5, 5 and so these are the factors. So log 450 you can express in terms of 2 into 3 square into 5 square. Again apply the law of algorithm for multiplication. What it is? You can, when you have multiplication, then you can write log 2 plus log 3 square plus log 5 square. Am I doing right? So this is how you have to write in when you apply the law of logarithm for multiplication. Log 2 plus log 3 square plus log 5 square. Again, here 3 square is there. Here you have to apply the next law of algorithm for when number is raised to power. For example, when a number log of a raised to n, then you can express that number as n into log a. So in the similar way, you write this as log 2 plus 2 log 3 plus 2 log 5, right? If you have any doubts on these law of algorithms, how I am using it, please refer my section 1 where I have explained in detail how to apply the law of algorithms in problems. So this is the answer for the problem number 2. And now let's do the last problem in this section on 5. What is it? Section C, what is it? Solve log of 8 into 4th root of 5 by 81. Okay, you have to express these numbers in terms of 2, 3 and 5, right? For that, you have to take the factors. So this, before taking the factors, you should know this formula for law of division for logarithms. So log of a by b, you can write it as log a minus log b, right? Similarly, I'm going to split this and write as log of 8 into 4th root of 5 minus log of 81, right? So log of a by b, and I just applied log a minus log b. So I'm going to apply this log of 8 into 4th root of 5 minus log of 81. Okay, again you can split this term because log of a into b is what? Log a plus log b. So log a plus log of 4th root of 5. What is it? You can write this as 5 raised to 1 by 4, right? It is same as 4th root of 5 minus log of 81. And what is this 81? 81 is, again we have done in our previous problem. 81 is what? It is 3 raised to 4. So, and what is 8 over here? 8 is 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. So I'm going to write again this as log of 2 cube plus log of 5 raised to 1 by 4 minus log of 3 raised to 4. Now when you have log of a raised to n, then you can express that in terms of n into log a. So similarly, I'm going to change this again, 3 log 2 plus 1 by 4 log 5 minus 4 log 3. And this is the final answer for this problem. I hope it's very much clear. Once again, I am saying that if you have any doubts on how I am using these laws of algorithms, laws of logarithms, please refer my section on the part 1 on logarithms, where I have explained in detail about laws of logarithms. So now the problem number 7, it is log of 25 minus log of 125 plus 1 by 2 log of 625 by what? By 3 log 5. So this is what we have to find. Now express this in terms of 5 in factors. Take the factors, so it becomes log 5 square, right? And again, what is it? Log of 125 is 5 cube, right? 125 is what? 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. That's why I wrote it as a 5 cube. Again, 1 by 2 into log of 625. That is what? 5 raised to 4. How did I get 5 raised to 4? Just take the factors, then you will understand that 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 25, 625. So 5 square into 5 square, 5 raised to 4. Again, 3 log 5. Right? So this you can express as 2 log 5 minus 3 log 5 plus 4 into 1 by 2 log 5. How did I write this formula? Log of a raised to n is n into log a. So this is the law of logarithms for logarithms for when a number is raised to a power. So I don't know why algorithms is coming to my whenever I speak about logarithms. Okay, so this is the law of logarithms. Okay, so let's do that. 3 log 5 and 2 log 5 minus, so this you can cancel out and write as 2 log 5, right? So 2 log 5 plus 2 log 5 is 4 log 5 minus 3 log 5, it will be log 5 by 3 log 5. So what it is? This get cancelled and you have here 1 by 3 is your answer. And also note that log 5 by log 2 is not same as log of 5 by 2. This is entirely different. This is log 5 by log 2 and here it is what? Log of 5 by 2. Okay, don't make any mistakes thinking that these both are same. Log 5 by log 2, these are both different numbers, but log of 5 by 2 is a division within a number. Okay, and here these two are separate numbers. Okay, please try to understand these things when you do problems with logarithms. Okay, so that's for the problem number 7. And now let's do the problem number 8. Solve the equation. So there is an equation given and we have to find the value of x. Whenever a solved equation is said, it is meant to find the value of some unknown terms from these expressions. Okay, log of x plus 1 plus log of x minus 1 is equal to 2 into log of x plus 2. Okay, what is log of a? Log a plus log b, you can write it as log of x plus 1 into x minus 1, and this you can write it as log of x plus 2 the whole square, which is same as 2 into log of x plus 2. Again, I'm going to solve this. So what it happens? Log of x square minus 1 it is, right? And what it is, just solve this. So what you will get? X square plus 4x plus 4. When you have log on both sides, you can just take off this logarithm terms and just equate this together. So x square minus 1 is same as x square plus 4x plus 4. Again, these x square terms are there on both sides. These get cancelled and this 4 comes to this side. So it becomes minus 4 is equal to 4x. So x is equal to minus 5 by 4. Also, this is not your final answer, as you have to remember that when you have an improper fraction, then you have to write in terms of mixed fractions. So the final answer is minus 1 by 4. So this is the value for the problem number 8. With this, I come to an end on this section, and on my next section, I will discuss on integral equations, or like how to solve integral equations using the rules of logarithms. Okay, let's see you over there, and bye bye.